Alright guys, I have the Active Watch Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic LTE version. We're gonna soup this bad boy up and make them look classy as hell. I'm a big fan of silver. I don't like that dull black, so I don't have a black one. I got a pure silver one. I'm gonna bling it up a little bit, show you guys how I did it, and yeah. So let's get started. First thing I got was these guys right here. Yeah, basically these are a piece of junk. Hold on, let me show you guys. Oh wait, I forgot, sorry. My auto zoom is not responding on my Note 3. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 3 Ultra 1TB phone I'm recording it with. But I forgot, I did something in settings. I was playing around the other day, it wasn't zooming right, so I gotta remember this to keep it down here, right? All right, I don't want to be in the video, so let's hide that. Okay, so I got this. You can get them on Amazon, Temu, eBay, wherever you want. These are just bumpers for it. I'm not using it. It's just super generic. It's a piece of junk. It does protect it. I mean, that's cool if you want to make it dolled out, but we're not trying to make it ugly, right? Or you got matte black. They got millions of designs. Well, not millions, but you know, they got like designs, colors. But the reason why I've got this pack, because for these guys right here, the screen protectors for the watch. Oh man, I don't think this is gonna fit. Oh man, they gave me the wrong size on this thing. Crikey. Yeah, I'm gonna see if these fit. I don't think this is gonna fit, but this, usually if you buy like 4 of them, it costs like around maybe 10-15 bucks just for 4 of these, or even $8. But I got these for, I think it was $5.99. I got 2 of these and 2 of these just for the heck of it. So I figure, you know, I'm not scratching it. I don't want these anyway. So, but this is what I wanted. So I don't think this is gonna fit. I think they screwed up on the size, but we will see. Again, no name brand because it's real generic, cheap stuff, but it's just called screen protectors. Always get the glass version. If you get the plastic generic rubber one, you're gonna have issues. Glass one is always the best. I've been using it for years. I hope it's the right size. Oh man. Oh, I hope it fits. I'm gonna be so upset. I bet it's gonna be smaller than what it is. Oh, it fits perfect. Yes. All right, I'm happy now, guys. All right. I'm just gonna take my time. It's gonna be a little long video, but you know, it's been a while since I made a video anyway, but I'm just gonna take my time putting this on because I don't want no mistakes in this thing. So there we go. Make sure it's all cleaned up. All right, which way do you peel it? There we go. Oof, it's gonna be hard. Where's that thing? So let's say this thing, I don't know how the other ones come, but with this one is this preset. You just have this thingy, you stick it on, press it down, loops it up. You want, oh man, I don't want to get no dust. See, I got cats now, so one little dust and I ain't gonna want it. I'm trying not to breathe when I'm doing it. I'm trying to hide because I don't want to be no videos too, so. All right, I think I got the dust on it. Let me do something real quick. Shoot, I don't have my wipes or anything. But all right, let's just get this over with then. I want to get it right up in there. Look at that, dust just came on it. All right, so you peel, and basically no wrong way to do it. Goes right in the center. I just want to make sure it's in the center. Press it down. Wow, that is a perfect fit right there. That's a screen protector. Try to pop that off if you can, and well, that came out to be a perfect fit. But anyway, that is a screen protector on this one. So that's what it looks like with the screen protector, just to let you guys know. I'm doing more videos too as well, so